$129 at the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando, Florida. This is for your maid if you want your room serviced. And this is your closet. Has an ironing board. And on the other side is your safe, which we probably will utilize it. There's your safe, and there's a hair dryer up here. It's a pretty good hair dryer. So ladies, good hair dryer. And most important for me, coffee. This is awesome. Gives it a #1 rating for me because I need my coffee. And around here is your bathroom. This is, I guess, we're gonna do makeup, girls. Let the men have this one in here. There's a mirror in here for them. And you have a pretty good shower. And of course, they give you shampoo, conditioner, cream. This is pretty nice. And if we come in here, follow me.
Got a nice little decor of drumsticks for the wall. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And right here you have 2 queen size beds. And of course you have your TV on this side. But I think what's cool, this mirror has a height chart and it has stars named to see where you measure up. Mine says Stevie Nicks. JB's is Michael Jackson, or who? Who was it?
John Lennon and Jimi Hendrix.
Pretty cool. I like this. It's an added feature. And then, of course, you have your drawers here. I like the colors, and they're pretty big. And of course, your remote control, and it has been sanitized. It's in a plastic bag. Oh, guys, and your room keys are awesome. I'm the Hulk, and Jeremy's Jurassic Park. These are pretty cool.
Those are actually our things for our express pass, so we can skip the line.
Yes, you need these. We have to show them that we have express passes. And he holds the tickets, so we have to show the tickets also. But this is to get on the actual ride. And
To skip the line.
yes. And of course you have desk, and you do have your ports here, USB ports. And they're pretty cool. I don't know if there's any more light in here. But then this is cool too. The decor is really, really nice. I like it. And of course this is the outside. I haven't seen the view.
We're supposed to have a garden view,
Yeah.
but since it's nightfall,
Can't really see
we'll
it.
show you in the morning.
Yeah.
Let's see.
But the chairs, they're really comfy. And of course you have your lamps. Those over there. And this, I think you have to turn in manually. Yes. And it goes into
It's a red one too.
Yeah.
Oh, it turns red.
The shade is red. It's 3 turns to make it lighter, brighter, medium. And of course, 4 pillows. Oh yeah, and on the side of the bed, I forgot on that side, has a reading. For those of us who read and don't disturb the other person, has a reading light. It works. This is pretty cool. I did bring my book today, so I'll probably read to go to sleep. But this is it. I think this is a pretty cool room. It's nice.
Not
I think a
bad.
little nicer than our other hotel that we had last.
And they also gave us sanitizer to take.
And
And
compliment.
it looks like 2 bottles of
Compliment.
water.
Yeah.
So,
And look at the cool clock. It's pretty
old
cool.
school clock. So,
So that's
overall,
the room tour for $41.29
at the Hard Rock
at the Rock
Cafe
Cart.
at
Hard Rock
Universal Orlando.
Yes.
So this is an on-premise property. So we have a water taxi that takes us to the park too. So we don't have to pay for nothing to go.
And it takes 5 minutes if you want to walk also.
So, cool. Hope
But-
you guys enjoyed.
Thumbs up.
Score.
2 thumbs up
Two
because
thumbs
it
up.
has coffee
All
in the room.
right. Well, enjoy, guys.
See you later.
Bye.